Imagine starting your dream home renovation, only to find yourself knee-deep in a series of complications you never anticipated. That's the reality many face when they overlook the importance of hiring specialty contractors. We are BigHomeProjects.com. We built a directory to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and help contractors find work. In this talk, we'll explore why electricians, plumbers, and HVAC technicians are the unsung heroes of home projects. These professionals bring critical skills that can save you time, money, and stress. Let's dive in. When it comes to home projects, knowing who to hire is crucial. Number 1, electricians. They handle everything electrical, from wiring to installing fixtures, ensuring your home is safe and efficient. Their expertise can prevent electrical fires and ensure your systems are up to code. Number 2, plumbers. They manage your home's plumbing systems, tackling everything from pipe installations to leak repairs. Hiring a plumber can prevent significant water damage and help maintain your home's infrastructure. Number 3, HVAC technicians. They ensure your heating and cooling systems are running efficiently, which is vital for comfort and energy savings. Regular maintenance by an HVAC technician can extend the lifespan of your system and reduce utility costs. Number 4, carpenters. These craftsmen work with wood to build everything from frames to cabinets. Good communication with your carpenter can enhance both the functionality and aesthetics of your project. Number 5, concrete workers. They handle projects like foundations and driveways. Hiring experienced concrete workers can prevent future issues like cracking or settling. Number 6, masons. They specialize in bricks and stones, creating durable structures like patios. Discussing design up front can lead to unique, personalized outdoor spaces. Number 7, roofers. They protect your home from weather damage with expert installation and maintenance of roofs. Proper ventilation discussions can prolong roof life and improve energy efficiency. Number 8, painters. They add color and protect surfaces. Preparation is key for a flawless finish, and eco-friendly options can improve indoor air quality. Number 9, glaziers. They specialize in glass installation, contributing to aesthetics and energy efficiency. Consider energy-efficient glass to reduce heating and cooling costs. Number 10, mechanical contractors. They handle complex systems like heating and plumbing, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Integrated system solutions can enhance efficiency across disciplines. Hiring specialty contractors for big home projects isn't just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done right. Imagine discovering a hidden issue that only a seasoned professional could foresee. That's peace of mind you can't put a price on. These experts not only ensure compliance with local codes, but also offer personalized solutions that elevate the quality of your home. For those looking to find trusted contractors easily, BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to platform. We connect homeowners with qualified professionals, ensuring every renovation is completed with excellence. Visit us today to find the right specialist for your next project.